Hi, welcome to the demo of the LMS. Here we can see the LMS that is based on the open source platform OpenLX. And we see the landing page where you can see the course catalog that can have public courses, or also they can be hidden. In addition, courses can be open for everyone to enroll, or they can be restricted so that only registered users and invited users can access each one of the courses. To access the platform, it is needed to have a user, and users can register to create their accounts, and if they have an account, they can sign in. Once the user accesses the platform with the registered user, they have access to the dashboard, and in the dashboard they can see all the courses where they are registered. When they access the courses, they will be able to see the content of the course and the different units with the different structure and modules of the course. Contents in the course can be asynchronous, like in this case where we have images, text, videos, and different type of videos, and all kind of digital assets that can be inserted into the LMS. Also, we can include PDF as a digital document that can be uploaded into the LMS, or interactive content, right, where you can add different type of exercises. So apart from asynchronous contents, we can also include synchronous content. In this case, live sessions with Zoom meetings or Meet or Teams or any other video conferencing tool can be integrated into the courses. As per the evaluation and assessment modules, there's a wide variety. On one hand, we have the what we call the course questions. Here are different questions where you can add the question, the options, and the answer, and the system will do the validation for each one of the answers. So it's a self-grading, automated grading scenario with different type of options, right? Numerical input, multiple choice, and drop-down menus, and a wide range of variety of options. The platform also offers what we call the open response assessment. In this case, there's an assignment with a prompt. The student has to write the answer. Can be a text response. It can upload a file. And once they submit the answer, the response will be done and the grading will be done by the staff, by another colleague, and also self-response, a self-assessment is also possible. This assessment has a rubric, and the instructor can set up the grading based on the rubrics that was defined for the exercise, as well as the optional feedback to be provided to the student. The students can also access to see their grading, where they see the progress of their assignments and the examinations they are taking in the course. Once the course is complete, the system will generate a certificate. And this is a verifiable credential where you can verify the name of the user, and in this case, we make sure that this certificate really belongs to the student. As per the authoring tool, it's a very intuitive tool where you can set up sections, subsections, and units where the instructors can add different blocks, right? So there's a wide variety of components that can be added, as well as for the different text tools. In the content tool, in the authoring tool, apart from uploading the content and organizing the section, we can define other settings. We can define the course pacing of the course, we can define the schedule, and other information about the course. We can also define the grading with different scenarios, different assignment types, and lots of possibilities. We can also create libraries where we can set a group of examinations, for example, a bank of problems that can be randomly provided to different students, and other kind of objects that can be unified in a library and presented in different courses. As per the user experience, the platform is multi-language, right? So you can define a large variety of languages to be as the platform interface. And another interesting component are the surveys. In this case, we can generate a customized survey within a course so that we get additional information or feedback from the different students, and the information of this survey can be consolidated in the reports. Another interesting feature of the platform is that we can set up prerequisites per course and also prerequisites per unit. So in this case, to access to module 1, I need to complete the previous unit. As per the reporting and analytics tools, we have the reporting tool called Panorama, and here we have a view with different dashboards with different topics. In this case, is the dashboard for the enrollments, where we see different statistics about the enrollments, where people are enrolling from, and other factors and indicators of the students, right? We also have detailed dashboards that inform us tables that can be exported for further analysis. And we also have the ability to filter the visuals per different criteria, like course code, course edition, and any of these criteria we see here. So I can filter only one course and see, okay, how many users, what's the grading status for that course, the year where it was done, and where people are coming from this particular course. We also have the engagement dashboard, where we can see the activity of the users with the videos. So how many was engagement with the videos, the most active users, the most popular videos within the course, and then the progress average for each one of the videos in the course. All this information can be exported for further analysis. We also have the ability of creating custom reports. In this case, this is the visualization of a custom survey taken in some of the courses. And here we can have a centralized and aggregated view of all the answers taken in that survey that is included, in this case of the Catholic organization, in all the courses. So they can compare and consolidate the information from different courses, and they can always use the filters to filter one particular course or all the courses so that they do different analysis. In addition, they have the raw data with all the information from the survey, And this is a good example of a customized report in Panorama. Thank you.